You ready to film a video for today?
Yeah. Echo, is today's video gonna be legit?
I don't know that.
Okay guys, so just starting out the video, we've created these new Nobori Auto Pandademic masks because pandas are Asian. If you guys are interested in buying one of these, comment down below and I can create a link and put it in the description for you guys to buy one.
What's going on, guys? Just hating on Sean every day. In today's video, we're gonna mock up some body panels. We're gonna test fit the bumpers, just make sure everything is aligned and everything, and we are also gonna fix a headlight and a bunch of other crap. A pretty good fit for a bumper that they wrote off as completely damaged. So take that as a win. Let's move on to the headlight. Bing! Kobe, did you find the headlight piece? We got our epoxy here and we have this little broken piece on the headlight. We're gonna go ahead and fix it on to the headlight like that. Start with our cardboard here. We're gonna put the epoxy on it. We're gonna mix it up, and gluey glue, clampy clamp. Like this. Ooh, that looks gross. Right?
When you put it on here, you may put a little bit.
Do you want me? All right, good to go. I'm gonna head out and do some more crap, and Sean's gonna take over from here.
So we finally got word that the pallet of the door and the suspension just arrived today, so we will be getting that probably tomorrow. It only took a week for it to be delivered from Denver to Salt Lake, which is like a freaking 10-hour drive, but I guess the semis drive, I don't know how that works, but it's gonna be here and that's all that matters. So what I'm gonna do, because the rear quarter like trunk pan area is a little creased and dented, I want to test fit the rear bumper on here and see how pressed in or sucked in the rear quarter is, or if it just looks good and we can straighten that out with a porta power a little bit, grind it down, and everything will be on the underside. Doesn't even look like it was in an accident on this side. Like, that's how good it fits. It does need to be clipped in along here a little bit more. You see that gap? There's just that metal bracket that it goes in. Down in there. See like some of those clips that need to go in. Then over here, obviously, I need to do some body filler and plastic welding up on this piece. Sand it down a little bit, just get it to bare plastic. And then I can't do anything without this bracket. Like I could try to see how it fits, but not really. Does look like it's sucked in a little bit right here, but I guess we'll see when we get that bracket. Alright, this video is gonna be mega ADD. I'm jumping to moving out. Yeah, see, you're moving out. You're 18 now, see you later. Taking out the seat because we need to get a new airbag in there if they do have airbags. I saw this company sells the OEM skins for the top section of the seat, but I don't know if I can get an airbag or if I just need to get a whole new seat. I would prefer to get a whole new seat, but I guess we'll see cost and availability. So, taking this out. Wire harness connectors underneath here suck to get access to, but you just gotta lean back and lean with it, rock with it. Last removal I have to do is headliner airbags. Just gotta take off all this trim work right here, maybe fold back the headliner a little bit.
So we are going to take the battery out so we can trickle charge it. Let's get started. That wasn't very tight. We want to trickle charge this battery, so we're going to put it on the lowest setting. Good to go. Before we finished, I just wanted to recognize our shirts. These are to represent Operation Underground Railroad. They're a nonprofit that saves kids from sex trafficking and human trafficking. So go check them out. They're doing some great things. All right, thanks for sticking around, you guys. Thanks for watching us do the crap we did today, and we'll see you on more crap tomorrow.
Are you driving, buddy? Yeah. Uh-huh. Looks like you're falling asleep at the wheel there, dude.